All right, guys, I'm going to model a couple more examples, okay? All right, this is number 12. All right, again, you got to find two things. You got to find the slope, and you got to find the y-intercept. Remember, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you need 2 points. So you could pick any 2 of these points. All right, I'm going to pick these 2. All right, so I'm going to go 11 minus 3 over 4 minus 2. Okay? And that's going to give me 8 over 2, which is 4. So m equals 4. Then we're going to pick a point. Let's say 2, 3. And we're going to plug into mx plus b to find b. All right? You plug 3 in for your y, plug in 4 for your m, and 2 for your x, and then we're going to find b. 3 equals 8 plus b. Subtract 8. Negative 5 equals b. We got our b, we got our m, we got our equation. Remember, mx plus b. So you're going to put 4 back in for m and negative 5 in for b. So 4x minus 5. Okay, the other thing you could do to get your y-intercept is you could go backwards. You got 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. And in this direction, okay, they are going down by 8. See that? It goes 27 minus 8 is 19, minus 8 is 11, minus 8 is 3, minus 8 would be negative 5. All right, but I think you're better off plugging into mx plus b. All right, I'm going to do one more example. All right, let's say number 13, one that has some negatives. And again, if you're given the points like this, I would rewrite them vertically so that your x's are lined up and your y's are lined up. All right, remember, you're going to do your slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So whether I get 2 points or a table of values, I'm doing it the same way. All right? So I'm going to go negative 5 minus negative 2 because the formula is subtract, but we're subtracting a negative. So there's going to be 2 negatives in there. And then 2 subtract negative 1. Remember, this is going to become plus plus. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. This is also going to be plus plus. 2 plus 1 is 3. Negative 3 over 3 is negative 1. All right, so we found out our slope is negative 1. And then we're going to pick one of these points. I'm going to go 2, negative 5. Remember, 2 is x, negative 5 is y. We go back to mx plus b. We're going to plug in for y. Y is negative 5. We're going to plug in for m. M was negative 1. We plug in for x. X is 2. Negative 5 equals, this multiplied is negative 2. We're going to add 2 because it's the opposite of subtract. And we're going to get 3 equals b. So our equation, y equals negative 1x plus 3. All right, so the first thing you got to do is find your slope. Then you take the slope, pick one of the points, plug in for y, for m, and for x, and then you solve for b, and then plug it back into mx plus b. All right, finish up whatever you didn't do on your own, and then check your answers. See you soon.